Here's a sneak peek at my latest soap pour. Stay tuned to see how this one turns out. Hi soapy friends, I'm Steph from Micas and More. I'm making a classic scented soap with Cucumber Melon Type fragrance oil and a new synthetic mica called Sunfire Brilliance Mica. I hope you'll try it in my next group buy. Let's make soap. I'm using mint cream mica for the base color at a ratio of 1 teaspoon per pound of oils. It's accented with Blackish Green Mica and white Satin Mica for contrast. And here's the Sunfire Brilliance Mica. It's a synthetic colorant and it mixes great in oil. I pour the lye water into the melted oils and then I stick blend until it reaches a light trace. I split the batch in half and the first part gets mixed with the mint cream mica. I add half of the fragrance oil to this part. The other half gets a different version of this scent that I'm testing. I mix 3/4 of a cup of soap with the white Satin Mica and a 1/4 cup with the Blackish Green Mica. Now the Sunfire Brilliance Mica. I'm using 2 cups of soap and 2 teaspoons of the mica. Now let's get this soap in the mold. I use my gear tie for a hanger swirl. I'll add the remaining soap on top. The rest of the white goes down the sides. This isn't how I had planned this design, but that's what happens when you leave part of your soap on the scale. I'll tap this down and then swirl in some of the white mica that I didn't want to just sit on top. I'll texture the top with a spoon, but it's not thick enough to hold very well. I'll add a little swirl with the skewer. And to top it off, I'm using pearl glitter. It's a white glitter with a rainbow reflection. One last look before I put this one to bed. And here's the cut soap. If you've used this fragrance oil or the color, I'd love to hear about it on my Facebook group, or leave a comment. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.